Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by deciding mood and focal silhouette. Pick either 1 or 16:9 as your framing, then commit. Once chosen, block in major shapes with a large round brush at 1. 3 sizes so you get readable forms fast. At the same time, set 3 core values, darkest, mid, light, and place a rough light direction between 30 degrees and 60 degrees. This gets you moving immediately. Avoid detailing until the overall read is strong. Once the block-in reads, refine core forms by establishing core shadow, a subtle rim light, and targeted ambient occlusion to anchor objects. You should balance color temperature. Push warm keys against cool fills so contrasts read at a glance, and keep saturation restrained, around 10 to 30% to avoid muddying shapes. Then layer texture passes with varied brushes, introduce a 0. 2% noise or grain, and alternate hard and soft edges. Make sure to step back frequently to verify silhouette clarity and value separation. To finish, sharpen the main focal edges and soften secondary areas so the eye lands where you want it. Then unify the piece with a subtle color grade or overall adjustment layer. Once done, shrink to thumbnail size to confirm readability. If forms collapse, fix the silhouette or value relationships immediately. If something looks off, use a selective hue shift, gentle dodge and burn, or a 50% opacity overlay to nudge contrast and temperature. This single troubleshooting move often rescues a stuck painting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.